Oh, can you even see? There we go. Y'all, it's snowing. I literally went upstairs to go get my mail from my mom's house because my sister is my landlord and my upstairs neighbor. And I opened the door and I'm like, oh hell no, because today is what, Sunday. Yesterday was kind of gloomy, but it wasn't snowing. Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, like all this week was so beautiful. The sun was shining. It was kind of warm. The ice and snow was melting. Yesterday was gloomy, and it wasn't really that cold because I did go out to the store or whatever. But it is snowing again. Like, can we stop? Can we stop, please? And then it's snowing a lot because I was just out here not that long ago, and like the snow is like piling up. Like, gots to stop. Oh, y'all, it was an animal over here. You see those you see those like prints right there? There we go. Oh hell no. We do have like a lot of raccoons. You see those prints? I didn't even see that when I was coming in, and it looked like it was walking like up this way. I don't see no prints by my door or nothing, thank God. But we do have like a lot of, not a lot, but we have raccoons, cats, what's those one animals? They look like beavers, but they're not. I don't know. And then we do be having coyotes. I haven't seen a coyote since I moved over here, thank God. But we do be having those over here. But now I'm curious, because I didn't even see those prints. Look at that. Wow. Anywho. And it looked like it was walking directly to my door, though. I don't like that. But yeah, it's snowing out here. Hopefully it freaking stops, please. Okay, because this week was so beautiful, but Saturday was gloomy like this, but it wasn't snowing, and today wants to snow. Please stop, please. But it's beautiful. I love when it snows, I'm not gonna lie.